Some weed. Here, what? Gun down, gun down. Here.
Phoenix 911, what is the address of your emergency?
Yeah, can you just send police officers?
I need an address.
22 West Indian School Road.
Is that an apartment?
Yeah.
Okay, and what is the emergency?
The guy upstairs beating the crap out of the girl, and they said he has a gun.
Okay, stay on the phone with me. Okay, we've got officers already started, okay? What's your first name, ma'am?
Oh, my God. Get out of the house! Get out of the house! Carlos, get out of the house! Get out of the house! Look, he just shot him. We live downstairs.
Okay, stay on the line with me, okay?
Get out of the house. Get out of the house. He just shot, and I don't want him shooting you. I don't know if he shot that girl or not.
Okay.
He shot off a round.
How many shots did you hear?
He shot like, I believe it's 2 so far that I've heard.
Okay.
Phoenix 911, where's the emergency?
Please, no, please, no. 911, where's the emergency?
Please, please.
Hello?
What? No! No, don't leave me!
Ma'am, where are you?
No!
Ma'am, I need to know where you are.
Hello?
Ma'am, what apartment are you in? Hello? Hello?
When the first 2 officers arrived on scene, they located the apartment and attempted to make contact.
Phoenix Police! Phoenix Police! Phoenix Police, if you're in there, just come out. We just need to make sure you're okay. Yeah, get them out of here.
Hey, I'm gonna have to ask you guys to evacuate, okay? We got an issue over here. Yeah, on this neighbor right here. So if you guys can grab some shoes real quick.
The officers then met with additional responding officers to develop a plan to make contact. That's when they heard a shot from inside of the apartment.
Oh,
inside?
there you go. That's inside.
All right. Hey, we got shots fired inside. We're gonna move the team up. Don't get in front of the door. Bunker up that window and tape that window. Make announcements.
Phoenix Police Department, come out with your hands up now!
Hey, hold on 1 second. Hold. We got screaming.
Got screaming.
Screaming? All right, move.
Go.
Move.
Go.
Nice and easy.
Nice
Move
and
towards the
slow.
screaming.
Nice
Guns
and
up.
slow.
Look for somebody.
Hey, watch this. That door's closed, so we're going to take this one right here. Come to me. Right to the left.
Hey, pick up that right room.
That right? That room is right.
As the officers were working their way through the apartment, they saw what looked like bullet holes in the walls.
Hey, better get to that door. There's a bullet hole right through here.
All right, move the bed. Bunker up underneath that door. Where's the ramp?
Phoenix Police! Hey, you have door to your left. 2 holes.
It's me.
Watch out.
Stop. Here, what? Gun down. Here. All right. Some weed. Here, what? Gun down.